Hello, my name is Laura Hess, and the technology that I reviewed is ClassDojo. ClassDojo is a classroom management tool that connects teachers, students, and parents. So this is our front page where we can add a new class. We can go right into here to our demo class. So in here you can see there's the whole class and all of the students. Here I can both take attendance and I can monitor student behavior. So if I click right here on Beyonce, you can see that I can give Beyonce feedback on positive behaviors like teamwork, or I could go and I could give Denzel feedback on some needs work behaviors such as he was falling asleep in class. Now these feedback behaviors can be customized, so teachers can customize them to the age level they are teaching. So an elementary school teacher could have things in here like they were sharing with students, they were engaging in classroom activities, whereas high school teachers, well, they'd also still be wanting students to engage in activities, but they can add things such as cell phone use, or a high school science teacher could add things such as students were following lab safety directions. On this page, teachers can also provide feedback for the whole class and for groups. So if we head in here, teachers can create groups and then they can provide feedbacks for groups. So they can tell table 1 that they were using their cell phones or that they were off task. Or they could tell table 2 that they were helping others, that they were working well together. So you can reward both individual students, groups, and the whole class. Here we can view reports so we can see how many positives and negatives were given out for the whole class. Then we can also look at our individual students. Parents can come in and they can look at this as well. Okay, they can only look at their own child's, of course. They can't look at other children. Now, if we go back to students, we come to Beyonce. We can hit View Beyonce's Portfolio. There's also this Portfolio tab right here. And in here, Beyonce can add pictures, videos, assignments. The teacher can add any activities up here that they want students to complete. So record a video, and then they can upload this into the portfolio, where parents can come in and they can leave comments and look at their child's work. Now in the class story, this is sort of like a Twitter platform where teachers can post updates, post pictures for parents to look at. Parents are able to comment and see what is happening in the classroom. There's also this feature that allows direct messaging between parents and teachers, so it really creates an open community. Now this is available in 35 plus languages, so parents that do not speak English are still able to engage in this classroom community. So thank you for listening to my presentation about ClassDojo.